The Lessons tool allows instructors to present instructional content to students in engaging ways. To present instructions or other information to students, you can add a text box to your page. Click Add Text from the Add Content tab or from one of the add icons, depending on where you would like to insert the element. The rich text editor will open, which allows you to enter text, format your content, add images, audio, links, and more to your text content element. After you have added a text element, you can edit the element by clicking the Edit icon in the Tool tab. You can also embed content such as images, YouTube videos, and more into your lessons page. If your browser allows it, Sakai will display these items directly on the lessons page. Otherwise, it will insert a clickable link to the content. To add an image to your page, click Embed Content on Page from the Add menu. Then, to add from a location on your computer, click the Browse button and select the image you would like. If you choose more than one, Sakai will insert them as separate elements, one above the other on the lessons page. Click the Open button to return from the Browse window and click Save. Click the Edit icon from the Tool tab to change the size of the image. Providing a width will adjust the height proportionally. You may also want to make sure that you have alternative text for accessibility. In addition, you can add an item description, which will serve as a caption. To add an item that is stored in your resources, click the Select Existing Files from Resources link. Navigate to where your image is located. Click the Select link, and you'll note that the item is included in the Items to Attach at the top of the page. When you have selected all the items you wish to add, click the Continue button. To add a YouTube video, insert the URL or embed code and click Save. Again, click the Edit button to change the width and provide an item description if you like. At any point, you can view the page as a student will see it without the edit panels by going to the View Site As dropdown and selecting Student. You'll now see and interact with the page the same way the students will. Click Exit View to return to the normal instructor view. For instances where you would prefer to have links instead of embedded content on the page, use the Add Content Links selection from the Add menu. To add a content link, use the Browse button to select content from your computer, or click the Select Existing Files from Resources to select things from your Resources folder. or insert a URL. If you chose to upload a file from your computer, you'll have an opportunity to provide a link title. In any case, you can click the Edit icon in the Tool tab on the right, which will give you the opportunity to change the title, add an item description if desired, if you have a number of documents to add for your students to access, you may wish to add a resources folder element rather than add them as separate content links. To do so, click the Add Resources folder from the Add menu, then navigate to the folder in Resources that will contain the files that you wish to share with your students. Then click Save. The Resources folder element will appear on the Lessons page with the name of the folder in bold, with links to the folder contents displayed indented below it. By clicking the link, students will be able to access the resources. Note that the Resources folder will automatically reflect any additions or deletions you make in the resources directories involved.